Hey there, everyone. Greg with the Entrepreneur Dad. Hey, in today's film, I am really looking forward to having a guest speaker, a friend, colleague, and business partner who is going to share an exciting presentation with you about a brand new platform that is going to be launched on August 8th. It's called Cashflow Pro for You. And what's really unique about this platform is it's going to combine network marketing. It's got his experience of over 20 years being successful in multiple businesses and the past few years experience of myself in affiliate marketing, bringing those two together in a free education platform that's also going to utilize a free marketing system. This is going to help drive all types of traffic and leads into any business opportunity that you want. So I will go ahead and hand it off. This is Jason Burden, and excited for him to share this presentation with you. Jason, take it away.
Welcome, everybody. This is a Cashflow Pro for You presentation. It's a new presentation that we've just put together on an awesome platform. And it's something that we are putting together in the affiliate marketing world and digital marketing world. So we're just going to explain to you a little bit about what we're putting together here and a business that you guys can all get connected to and start earning money right away. And not only that, you can use this to link in businesses that you're working with already to get thousands and thousands of people to see your opportunity. And that sounds really interesting, right? So if we, the main thing is, what is it everybody looking for? If you're in a multi-level marketing business or on networks, or you're in a referral style of business, what is it that everybody wants? Okay, there's something that we all want, and people want sign up, correct? Okay, and when you focus on something a little bit different, because I don't know about you guys, but if we're in a multi-level marketing business, we're so busy trying to sell our opportunity, we are missing the point. Okay, we need to find out what people are looking for and give it to them. So we know that if I spoke to any person, it doesn't matter what business they're involved in, it doesn't matter if they're in multi-level marketing, digital marketing, people need people in their business and they want signups. Okay, so if we are able to show people how to get signups, we're going to be able to attract a much wider audience. Okay, instead of please just join my business. So we need to, there's a few different ways of actually creating traffic, and in Money Working for You, we use an organic way, which is to post and boost, and we're literally posting flyers, which is going to attract people to Facebook, or on Facebook. It's going to attract them, so they just want to get a bit of curiosity and they ask us for information. Okay, and then of course we use a script and we talk to them. This is quite time consuming, but the good thing is that it's a free method that everybody can use, and also people can learn what to say to people, so it does have its benefits. But then we could also use something to turbocharge using a system at a small cost. Okay, I say it's a small cost because the more I've looked into this, it's actually quite a small amount of money we're talking about. But you can actually turbocharge your business, so you've got thousands of people seeing your business every single day. Okay, who would like to get that? So we are using a free system. Some of you have already seen this. We've sent out a link for this particular. It is a 3-step program where the guy is, he's also a professional digital marketer and affiliate, and he's put this together as his own program. And it's just so easy to follow. It's 3 steps, and it's also free for people to use. So can you imagine if we are advertising in the big wide world, and we've got a system that helps people get leads, and you can sign up for free? Okay, that is a massive audience that people are looking for. So why would we be using this? Well, as I said, that we've got something that everybody wants. They want signups. We've got something that can get them in. It's free access, and we can get them started. Okay, but because of Gregg's knowledge, we've also been able to think about how could we take this a few more steps further? And talking about what are the benefits of using this system. First of all, it's free to sign up. It's easy to set up even for a brand new person. You know, what I always recommend is you have 2 computers or your phone. You can play the film and start and stop as you set up your account, okay? And try not to get too confused. You know, you're not going to do anything too wrong because the system is set up very, very well. And for example, if you've got other businesses that you actually work with right now, if you're in a multi-level marketing business or you're promoting a product, on the very first step, it's a place where you can add your referral link. You can add 2 businesses there straight away. Okay, so that basically means when you've got thousands of people coming in, the man even has a film says, you know, this is your sponsor, have a look at his 2 links. Okay, so someone is actually promoting your 2 businesses straight away. And also this can also create multiple scripts, you know, multiple streams of income, and I can show you how that works a little bit later. And the way that we can set this up is all by being able to just send 1 email per day. Okay, I don't want you to feel overworked, all right? We're talking about financial freedom. So if we can teach you a way where every morning when you're having your coffee at breakfast, you send 1 email, which is actually a pre-written email, and it goes out to thousands of people every single day. Okay, that sounds lovely. And then you can continue on doing all the other things that you do in your business. So how do we start? Well, number one, we need to have an account with Leads Leap. Okay, and you can sign up for free for this, and I'm not going to go through all the details, because what we're going to do is show you the things that you need to focus on first. Okay, because we're going to teach you how to come into this account, how to set up auto responded emails to your prospects, and we will also we will teach you how to do everything step by step, so it's not confusing. And because you're like the first guys that's on this particular meeting with us, we will actually help you step by step to create your accounts to be up and running. So the only thing you need to focus on is sending that email every day, okay? And just work for that. So the number 1 step is to open a Leads Leap account. And then you're going to get your marketing system, and you're going to start going through the details to set it up. Okay, you just got to watch the films. I'm pretty sure every person on here can do step 1, step 2, but maybe you've got questions about step 3. Okay, because it's a little bit more involved, but once you've learned it, you'll be able to connect many things to this. Okay, so we don't want you to feel overwhelmed just because it's something you haven't done before. Okay, even me, I call Greg and say, Greg, where do I put this number? And he just tells it, okay, great, now it's working. Okay, so that's the support we've got here. So one thing I wanted to talk to you about is how do we turbocharge this thing? Well, we're working with an extremely exciting platform where you join, is something that you join, and it's where you get given 100 leads every single day. So on day 1, you get 100 leads and you send 1 email, okay? And the email goes to people that are looking for what we're looking for, okay? They're in our niche, okay? So that means that when you send an email through this account, it goes to people that are looking for our opportunities. And then on day 2, you get another 100 leads. So when you send your email, you are now then sending an email to 200 people. And on day 3, you send the email again, 300 people. It's a numbers game. And because we've connected it to an autoresponder, that basically means that they are going to get emails every day following up once because what happens is people opt in, they see your link the first time, oh, this looks interesting, but then we're going to be using Leads Leap as an autoresponder to follow the people up, okay? If you're working in multi-level marketing, haven't you noticed that people don't register with you the first time they meet you? Okay, it's always, you know, we have a few meetings after. I'm pretty sure if you're married, you didn't get married on the first date. Okay, there's a certain time, you know, we have to meet a few times to see if we're a match. And when you have prospects meeting you for the first time, we need to have a follow-up system, but we've got something that will set it up automatically. Okay, so also with this platform, you get a passive income. You're going to get because people will be joining this because they want to have the same system as you. Okay, so there's another passive income being set up here. You've got up to 100 leads per day coming in. You can also advertise any business through this. So if you've got 10 businesses, 20 businesses, you don't have to send the same email every day. You can say, okay, today I want to promote my other business. So you send an email out to 30,000 people if you've got enough on your list, or 3,000 people if you're only a month old. Okay, and it's all by sending one email per day. So how does it work? Well, first of all, we're going to be sending emails through this system, and people are going to be clicking on your link to get access to the marketing system, and then we're going to be using the leads leap to make sure we follow people up correctly. Okay, so it's just 3 platforms working together, but because of how this marketing system works and the passive income from the marketing system, and also Leads Leap, because when people sign up for Leads Leap and they go for a paid member, it creates another passive income. So just with setting this up, I actually counted it up to be 13 income streams if you set it up right. Okay, and you just need to keep sending 1 email per day. So what does it cost? Well, depends if you look at it as a cost or you look at it as an investment for your business. First of all, we know the marketing system is free, and that's how we're going to get people in the door. Okay, but then we're going to have to use this other platform, which is to do with getting those emails in the right niche. It costs $30 a month. Okay, that is $1 a day for 100 leads in your niche. It's not a lot of money. Okay, and remember, you can use it for any business. And then you've got the Leads Leap account. When you're a paid member, it gives you so much more. Okay, and you can actually run Leads Leap just as a business on its own. You know, it's got everything in there. It's probably one of the best in the world for actually, I don't know what you call it, a digital marketing system to run online businesses. And you can advertise any business you do within Leads Leap as well, and set up autoresponders based on the knowledge that we're going to teach you. Okay, so we're sort of like taking our multi-level marketing ideas and putting a great big turbo in it to explode your business in front of millions and millions of people. Okay, so we're taking everything been teaching you over the last few years to a next level. So you're going to end up with a fully automated marketing system and business just for $55 per month. Okay, as I say, what I recommend is people try it for a few months and just see how it goes, because and make sure you set up everything as Greg and I say to do, and we run together. The 5 of us here now, we just start running together. One thing I'd like to say as well about the email marketing system, Greg and I were discussing that you could even have more than one of those accounts at a later date. So can you imagine you're getting 100 leads a day, and when you're starting to earn money and you want to be maybe sending, instead of just 1 email a day, and you want to send 2 emails a day, you open another account, and then that starts building up more and more people to see your business. So you've also going to have, as you know, we're talking about Cash Flow Pro for You. It's our affiliate marketing education system that we've put together, and people will basically be able to come in free. We're going to be teaching people how to set these things up, but also we're going to be adding business opportunities that you can use exactly the same system that we're going to teach you to create as many income streams as you want. And it's still going back to the 1 email per day. All right, guys. So anyway, thanks for listening, and we'll see you on the next film.